Hello everyone, Vaishali here from CodeWeb YD. Today I would like to share something new. Today I am going to tell you about Angular CRUD generator. Here we are using Angular, Laravel and MySQL, which is integrated in SB Admin2 Bootstrap template. So let's get started. Here we have migrated table with DB and table name is post. Here we have two fields, title and body. Primary key is ID. So here we will see the backend code in Laravel. Now we will check migration file which we already created in our file with post name and two fields, title and body. Now we will run our custom command to create Angular CRUD. Command is PHP artisan angular setup. Module name in camel case. In our case it is post. So our command is PHP artisan angular setup post. With the help of this command, we create Angular file and Laravel file both. In backend side file, we are generating post controller, post model and API routes. Inside post, we have 4 folders: create, edit, index and view. So, in every folder we have 3 files: HTML file, CSS file and component.ts file. So in HTML file, router link is added and HTML is generated. In component.ts file, all the services are already integrated. Then we have 4 more files: post routing module.ts, second is post.module.ts, third is service file and fourth is interface. In routing file, all the child routes are generated. In module file, all the modules are imported. Then in service file, all the services are generated and one post interface is generated. After that, this command will already import our post module in app.module.ts file, and in sidebar, post menu is already created. Now let's run the project and see the results. Now you can see that post menu came to sidebar. And before that, we have to run our backend script as well. Now let's check the add functionality. So here we are adding the title and body. Now let's submit this. You can see the result. It came here. Now we will view this. So you can see that is coming here. Now we will try editing this. Now I will change the title and body. And now click on update. So as you can see that update is also working. Now we will add another So after submitting, you can see that result is added and you can delete that also. So our CRUD is working properly. If you have any query or suggestions, please drop them in our comment section below. If you like this video, then please drop a like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.